Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to get loans from Lloyds Bank. So as you can see, I'm on the official website of lloydsbank.com, and after that once you reach here, just make sure to log in with your account and personal or business. So just log in with your account, and once you log in with your account, just click on this menu option and you will see multiple options like everyday banking, help and security, current accounts, borrowing. So just go to this section, borrowing, and from here find this option called loans. So you will see multiple options, so just click on this first one, loans, and it will take you to another page of loans. As you can see, log in with your account to get a code, so just make sure you are logged in with your account, and after that scroll down and you will see like multiple loans that you can apply for, like new car, debt consolidation, help, how home improvements, and getting married, or like going on a holiday. So let's say I want to get loan for like new car, so just click on this car loans, and after that scroll down and you can read how our loan works, and you can read all these instructions and apply for a car loan. So to apply for, you need to be like, they have mentioned all the conditions and the details, so you can read all of them, and once you have completed reading all of them, just click on apply now. And once you click on apply now, so they will take you to another page where you can fill the details. As you can see, so you can just fill the details, and that is how easily you can get loan from Lloyds Bank.